Let's face it, losing belly fat can feel like an uphill battle. It's frustrating, it's stubborn, and it can really put a damper on your confidence. But don't worry, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with this, and the good news is, there are proven ways to win this battle. It's all about making smart choices and staying consistent. Let's dive into some simple, practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and keep that belly fat off for good. You can't out-exercise a bad diet. What you eat plays a crucial role in your weight loss journey, especially when it comes to belly fat. It's not about starving yourself, but rather about making healthier choices. First things first, cut back on sugary drinks. Sodas, juices, and fancy coffees loaded with sugar are your worst enemies. Drink plenty of water instead. It keeps you full and helps your body function properly. Next up, focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains should be your go-to options. These foods provide essential nutrients and fiber, keeping you satisfied and energized. Now that we've got your diet in check, let's talk about getting active. Exercise is key to burning calories and shedding that stubborn belly fat. And the best part is, you don't need a fancy gym membership to get started. Cardio is your best friend when it comes to blasting fat. Think brisk walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity cardio most days of the week. Don't forget about strength training. Building muscle helps boost your metabolism, meaning you burn more calories even at rest. Simple bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges are a great place to start. Remember, consistency is key. Find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Every little bit counts. Section 4. Stressed and tired. Your waistline might be too. Believe it or not, stress and lack of sleep can sabotage your weight loss efforts, especially around your belly. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that can lead to increased belly fat storage. Make time for relaxation and stress management. Try yoga, meditation, or simply taking a few minutes each day to breathe deeply and clear your mind. Sleep is just as important. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the hunger hormone ghrelin, making you crave sugary and fatty foods. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to keep your hormones balanced and your cravings in check. Section 5. Keep going, maintaining a healthy lifestyle for the long haul. Congratulations! You've learned the secrets to losing belly fat and keeping it off for good. Remember, this is not a quick fix. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes. Don't get discouraged if you have setbacks along the way. We all do. The important thing is to get back on track and keep moving forward. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Every pound lost, every healthy meal choice, every workout completed is a victory. Remember, you've got this. Embrace a healthy lifestyle and enjoy the amazing benefits it brings to your body, mind, and spirit.